Teacher and all my dear friends, first of all I want to say very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Isha.
Myself Isha from 9D standard, and today I am here for speech on the topic of structure of the atom. Atom are the building blocks of matter. They are very small in size. They are smaller than anything we can imagine or compare with. Fundamental particles of an atom: electron, proton and neutron. Electron are negative charged particle, proton are positive charged particle, neutron are neither positive nor negative. Simply they contain no charge. Dalton atomic theory. It suggested that atom is indivisible, but the discovery of fundamental particles electron and proton led to the failure of Dalton's atomic theory. Difference between electron and proton. Electron is negative charged particle, whereas proton is positive charged particle. Electron mass is negligible, whereas proton mass is 2000 times as compared to electron. Electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson, whereas proton is discovered by E. Goldstein. Thomson model of an atom. This model proposed the structure of an atom to be similar to that of a watermelon. The red edible part is proton and the black seeds in it are electron. The atom is neutral because the magnitude of electron and proton in an atom are equal. Now about Bohr's model of an atom. This model proposed by Niels Bohr. He said that only some special orbits called discrete orbits are allowed inside the cell. These orbits are called energy level, which are represented by 1, 2, 3, 4 or known as K, L, M and shell. As you can see that in this structure, this is K shell, L, M and N shell. This is Bohr's model of an atom. This is discovered by Niels Bohr. If we have to find out the maximum number of electrons present in an atom, we use the formula 2n square. So the maximum number of electrons present in K shell is 2 and in L shell 8. We will use these numbers to find out the maximum number of electrons. In the third shell is 18 and in fourth shell 32. Now about discovery of neutron. In 1932, J. Chadwick discovered another electron called neutron, which has the same mass and of the electron and which contain no charge. It is presented in the nucleus in all the cell except hydrogen. It is represented by N. Now about atomic number and mass number. Atomic number are the number which have the same number of a proton present in a nucleus. Now about mass number. The total number of nucleons are the total number of mass number. Nucleons are the number of proton and neutron present in an atom. Now about isotopes and isobars. Isotopes are the number which have same atomic number but different mass number. Isobars which have same mass number but different atomic number. For example, argon and calcium. They have different atomic number 18 and 20 but same mass number, that is 40. Now about valency. The combining capacity of an atom is called valency. For example, hydrogen. It have valency 1. This is a diagram of atom and this is the structure of hydrogen present in an atom. The valency of helium is 0, lithium 1 and 2 and beryllium 2. Valency is the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. So the hydrogen valency is 1. Now we can fill one more electron in this. So because the maximum number of electrons present in the K shell is 2. Now we can fill helium in this. So the valency of helium is 0. Now we will start filling the L shell. The valency of lithium is 1 and beryllium is 2. Now about Rutherford model of an atom. This model is discovered by Ernest Rutherford because he chose gold foil because it is malleable and pass alpha particle through it. Most of the alpha particle pass through it. This shows that atoms have space inside them. Some of the alpha particles are deflected and one of the 12,000 alpha particles are reborn from its original path. This is all about my topic. Thank you and have a nice day.